We begin this broadcast with the top political development in the state of West Bengal, because a day after Trinamool Congress rebels officially formed the new AITC committee and also ousted Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee has sent an official communique to the ECI notifying the reconstituted National Working Committee of the AITC. Now, the Mamata-led committee shows her as the chairperson, even as the rebel TMC MLAs have named senior MLA Arup Roy as the chairperson of what they describe as the Asli TMC or the real TMC. The rebel camp has also removed Abhishek Banerjee from the post of National General Secretary. My colleague Ridhita is with us, getting us all the top developments. Ridhita, fast-paced developments in the state of West Bengal. The rebel camp is asserting control, and this time they have made it clear that they are the ones who have total and full authority over the Trinamool Congress right now, because they have the numbers, they have the support. And Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee have literally been shown the door. They're saying that Mamata Banerjee can remain a chief advisor, but the chief now will change. Tell us more. What's the strategy of the Mamata camp? She's also fighting back. All the updates that you're tracking, break down one by one.
Well, absolutely. You see that the press conference yesterday by the rebel camp of Trinamool Congress led by Ritubrat Bandyopadhyay has seen that the clear majority is in the hand of the rebel camp. Especially now, the loyalists of Mamata Banerjee like Firhad Hakim, Arup Roy, Arup Biswas has changed their stance, and they have joined hands with Ritubrat Bandyopadhyay, and we see that already the positions that Firhad Hakim and Arup Biswas has been holding, they are retaining to those seats. However, Arup Roy has changed Mamata Banerjee. He has taken over Mamata Banerjee's seat as a chairperson. In fact, the billboard that was, or the poster that was put inside the press conference and the meeting yesterday has not seen Mamata Banerjee's picture to it. However, Ritubrat Bandyopadhyay, the leader of opposition, has claimed that the party, the pictures and the portraits which have been used of the freedom fighters in the poster is of the party's foundation, and it does not promote one individual as a whole. So you see that the person who built the entire party, her stand is only clear. They are saying the rebel camp has actually given them the place in which Mamata Banerjee, the chief advisor role, has been
what can Mamata Banerjee do right now, Ridhita? Because, people who were once considered to be her closest aides, the likes of Firhad Hakim, even they have now joined hands with the rebel camp. And yes, Asli TMC has a new boss. So where does that leave Mamata Banerjee? Is she the chairperson of the, what rebels are calling the Nakli TMC now?
Well, absolutely. You see that yesterday Kunal Ghosh has in fact commented on this over his social media account X, and he has said that at the time when this case is itself in the High Court and it's given to the judgments and the order is yet remaining at that time, how can this claiming of position take place? How can the people be fixed? How can the chairpersons, the treasurer and the executive committee be fixed? Although we get to understand that today
Mamata Banerjee right now has written to the EC, a communication has been sent. Her loyalists, those who are still fiercely supporting her, are raising questions on legality, on constitutionality. Let's listen into that reaction coming in from stern supporters of Mamata Banerjee, who are dismissing the actions of the dissidents as unconstitutional and also lacking any legal validity. They are insisting that the rebel faction has no significance. Listen in.
तो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
पद से ममता बनर्जी को हटा दिया गया है। ममता जी को उनको हटा दिया गया है।
हाँ, तो क्या करें?
क्या बोलेंगे?
लोगों को दिमाग खराब होने से कुछ भी करता है, तो इसके बारे में तो हमारा पार्टी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया है। ममता बनर्जी पार्टी बनाई है, ये ऋतुव्रत तो सीपीएम से आया है और दूसरे लोग इधर उधर से आए हैं, इसको क्या महत्व है?
Right, so you heard that reaction from Saugata Roy, who's questioning the legal validity, who's questioning the constitutionality. He's saying that, remember the likes of Ritubrat, who today are claiming that they have support, they themselves have come from other parties, and it was Mamata Banerjee who gave them a place in the Trinamool Congress. But right now, as the situation stands, the rebel, you have the rebellion in the parliamentary ranks, then you have the rebellion in the assembly ranks. With that, let's